before I called Scott, I was talking to my wife, and there was cracks in the cement all around the pool, and there was a safety hazard pretty much. And what I wanted to do was eliminate that.
All right, some of the pool deck is up, stamped concrete is up. We've been chipping away at the pool deck here and slicing it because we know that the brackets are 22 inches, so we left 2 feet. We've left this flat so that we have something to glue the coping to. We've left the anchors for the ladder. This slices down so it doesn't interface 100% 0% with the chip, and it'll allow over time, as pavers over here settle, for things to fractionally settle, and you won't have major issues. That machine has to be parked, and we have to break the pallets down into smaller pallets so that they can be moved by these machines.
The crew was hard working for sure. They were working constantly. They were like a well-oiled machine, to be honest with you. The product was spot on. Meticulous, planes, everything was beautiful.